Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will solve the problem sort a list. So given a head node of linked list and we have to return list after sorting it in ascending order. So this is the list 4 2 1 3, then if we sort then it will become 1 2 3 4 and we have to return this. So how we will solve this problem? So there are various sorting algorithm as we used in sorting the arrays. Same can be applied for the linked list as well, but the coding part is little bit tricky and here and there. So first brute force solution is I solved by using the selection sort approach. So what I did, I started from this node and look for the minimum in the whole list. Once I got the minimum node, so this is the our first minimum, and plus here in this sort I am also using the swapping the values, not the node itself. So you can check in with the interviewer if swapping the value is allowed. If it is not allowed, then this is not, like, we need to change the code. So initially first let's solve with the swapping the values. So once we found this node minimum value, we will swap these values of these two nodes. So this will become in first iteration, after first iteration 1 2 4 3. Then we will start from the next node, like because the first node we know already sorted, then we will start from the second node and we will check the minimum. This is the minimum itself, so we will keep continue. Now the third node, this is the minimum, then we will swap the value, not the node. So this will swap and the value, this will become 1 2 3 and 4. So this is the approach, is the selection sort approach. Find always the right minimum and then insert it into the place. The first minimum value will come on the first, then second minimum and so on. So this time solution I implemented, here is the code. So what I did, I started from the current from the head node and loop it until the current not reach to the null node. Basically we get the all the nodes sorted in that fashion. Then we started another node from the current iter and also a mid node from the iter itself, and then look for the scan all the nodes right of this and get the minimum node. Once we found the minimum node, then we will update, swap the values. So here we are doing the swapping the value, and then here in this line we are updating the current to the current dot next. So this approach solution time complexity is O of n square, plus we are doing the swapping the values in this solution. But if swapping the values is not allowed, we can easily modify it to swap the node itself by using extra pointers like previous of the min node, like where, and then we need to delete that node at that point and then move that node into the actual place over here, like in this first case. So what we will do, we will node using extra pointer, we will link this to the here and remove this node from here and then move this node to the here. So this is the another way if swapping value is not allowed. So this is the one of the solution using the selection sort. There is another solution using the insertion sort, and we have dedicated problem in LeetCode for insertion sort. So that I will cover into the separate video for that problem, but you can try it yourself. It's good to for learning purpose. So now another approach is based on the merge sort, very famous one, the merge sort. So for the merge sort, as we already know from the array, like we will split the arrays. Similarly, we will split the list until the 0 and 1 node, like we reach to the base case. Once we reach to the base case, we will try to merge them and form a sorted bigger list. So like this. So we will go to the mid of this node. So this is the mid place. So this is divided here. So 4 and 2 will become goes here, and another list will become 1 and 3. Then we will divide it again. So this will become 4 and 2, and then this will be again divided into 1, and so now our lists is like single element. We will try to merge them. So using, so as we also have two dedicated problem for this part, like one is finding the middle node of the list and the second is the merging the two sorted list. So these two problem will be used in the our merge sort. So we will merge this. So this will become over here 2 to 4. So this will become 2 to 4 here after merging the first, and then this will become 1 to 3 and then finally it will become 1 2 3 4. So this is the merge sort approach, and we will implement it like recursively. So for the individual problem solution, I have already posted video, you can check out in detail on that as well, but I will cover over here as well. So the base case is like, first, if head is null or head dot next is null, like we have 0 or 1 node, then we will just return the head itself. Otherwise we will get the list node, which is a middle node, and we will call a method, helper method middle node. So that will give us the middle node, like middle node basically the next node of that middle node. So here, and then we will call this method again sort list for the half of the list from head for the left node, and this will give us the left sorted list. So this will be left sorted list. Similarly, we will call from the mid, this will give us a right sorted list. So let it as a right sorted list will become, and then in the last step we will merge and return the list. So merge, so we will let it call merge only the method name and pass the left and the right sorted list, that will merge. So now we need to write the definition of our helper method. The first helper method is private list node, that will return middle node, that will get a list node head. Now we need to find the middle. So finding the middle we will find using the 2 pointers. So list node slow, and slow which is from the fast, which is start from head, and fast, let's start from the head dot next. So the middle we are returning the exact the next shifted, like second middle basically if there are 2. So let's say if we have 1 2 3 and 4 and 3, this is our list, then the middle we will return this one as the middle. So this will treated as a head of our second list, right list. Similarly, if we have 1 2 4 5 3 5 nodes, then we will return this guy. So this is the way. Now we will run the while loop fast dot next. So until the fast is not null and fast dot next not null, then update the slow by slow by slow dot next and fast by fast dot next 2 pointer, and in the end we will just here update like list node mid by the slow dot next will be our the right of that slow, and then we will break the link as well, otherwise the link will be there and cycle will become. So we have to break the link, slow dot next equals to null, and then we will return the mid over here. So this is the helper method which will give us the middle part. Now we need to write the definition of our another method, which is merge step. So this will also return the list node and merge, and it will get the 2 node list node let's say L1 and list node L2. So now we need to merge 2 sorted lists. So we will merge 2 sorted lists using the helper, like we will create a first list node, the dummy head. This will help us to return the list initialized from, let's say, some random node. Then we will return that dummy head dot next. So this will be, let us say, some minus value itself, and then we will return dummy head dot next as our result. So now we need to, so we will start a current point, another node which will be from the dummy node itself, dummy head, and then we will iterate the list like 2 lists, either L1 with not equals to, like both of them is not null, then we will compare this L1 not equal to null and L2 not equal to null. Then we will also check first if L1 dot val is less than or equal to L2 dot val, then we will update this current dot next by the L1 and move the L1 to the next pointer, L1 is equal to L1 dot next. Similarly, in else case we will do for current dot next is L2 and update L2 by L2 dot next. So, this is the case, and in the end we will also update our current pointer to shift it next pointer current dot next, and this will be done. So, in the last we will also check and update current dot next if any of the list still has the nodes. So, we will check here if L1 not equals to null, if L1 still has some node, then we will add the L1, append the L1 in, otherwise we will append the L2. So, this is what, and this is the part of our merge part is done. So, let us compile the code and see if it is working for the test case. So, it is working as expected. Let us try some custom test cases. Let us say list has no node, list has one node itself, and list has two node. So, these are the maybe corner cases and base cases I am trying. So, let us see. So, we are getting the expected answers. Now, we can submit the solution. So, it is going on and it is now accepted. Now, what is the time and space complexity? As we can see, at every step we are dividing this. So, by 2 y2 if we have total n node. So, this will take log of n step to divide all the list into this tree like structure. This is what we did, and then in merge part we are running all like O of n times. So, this will take for every small list n, then n log. So, log n step every time it is taking n. So, it will become O of n log of n is the time complexity. Now, what will be the space complexity? As we are dividing and calling again and again recursively our method. So, this will have recursive call stack of size, so log of n because of this method. So, the space complexity of this solution is log of n. So, now this solution is done, and we have follow up task here, like we have to sort this linked list in n log n time, but the space should also be O of 1. So, our current solution space is taking O of log of n. So, how we will do that? So, this can be done using the merge sort instead of recursively iterative approach. And the idea of solving like iterative is, let us say if we have some nodes, let us say we have some node like n1, n2, n3, n4, n5, 5 nodes in our list. So, what we will do? We will split it until we reach to the one node, and the single node itself is a sorted. Then we will try to sort and merge the adjacent two node at all. So, we will sort and merge, then we will go to the next step 4. So, it is like we will follow approach 1 node, then 2 node, then 4 node, and then 8 node, and so on until we are able to sort this whole list. So, this is a follow up. Try it out and implement it. If you are able to implement, share the code in the video. I will come up with another video for the iterative solution in upcoming time. So, if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.